Why do businesses across Wilson and Rutherford County trust HSS Security Solutions? Because we deliver reliable protection, proven expertise, and over 25 years of trusted service. Since 1997, HSS Security Solutions has been designing, installing, and monitoring complete security systems for schools, healthcare, government, and businesses of every size. From fire alarms and access control, to security cameras, gate systems, and 24/7 alarm monitoring, we provide solutions built for safety and compliance. Our licensed team handles every step: design, permitting, installation, and certification with the authority having jurisdiction. We integrate advanced technology with local expertise to protect what matters most: your people, property, and assets. Businesses in Wilson and Rutherford County rely on HSS Security Solutions because we are local, experienced, and committed to professional service. Call HSS Security Solutions today at 615-444-1400 or visit hssecurity.net. Trusted since 1997 to protect Middle Tennessee businesses.